Hey car fans, I'm Mike Berger with another CarSoup.com quick tip. Now, have you noticed that the headlights on your car aren't quite as bright as they used to be? Well, the fault may not be in the light bulb itself, but instead with the lens of your headlight unit. You see, over time, that lens can turn yellow and craze, blocking light that the headlight bulb throws out. Luckily, there's an easy way to fix it, and that's with a headlight polishing kit. The kit we're going to use comes from 3M. Now it comes with a variety of polishing pads, polishing compound, and then an adapter to hold those pads that you mount on either a corded or cordless drill. The key to success with these headlight polishing kits is patience. If you think you've sanded enough, odds are you probably haven't. Take your time, follow the directions that come with the kit, and you will be guaranteed success. I'm Mike Berger with CarSoup.com, and we'll see you down the road.